My name's Marshall.
My name's Alfie Cham.
We're making American Style Eggy Bread. These are the ingredients we're going to use. 2 eggs,
Bread,
butter,
a tiny milk,
salt, pepper. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs and we've got to whisk it. Okay. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of milk and sea salt and pepper.
I'll never put too much milk or no taste nice too much, no work good.
Yeah, and that's a little bit. That's about half a tablespoon out.
Alfie,
Too much.
you can have it too, Alfie. Would you give the good season to it? Now we're now going to grill the bacon.
Little him, make it noisy. A grade off, accident, eat through it, but told me all day. Got it.
Now we're going to dip the egg white into the bread, and then we're going to put the butter into the pan to fry it off.
Melt it round it.
Too long, wasn't it?
No, what we're going to put the egg mixer on first.
The lid. Oh, okay.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
That looks like it's almost there.
Oh, careful, Mum.
Leave that for you, Alfie. That is. This is how you make American Style Eggy Bread.
Boys and girls, enjoy! Champ Alfie!